I wake, I fumble and twist till the truth starts to click. There's so much space in this bed. These sheets go for months. Dreams of your smile. I don't want to be just a memory.
Not even halfway.
And I don't want to feel
So,
the winds break free.
2 speakers in the back.
Because without you, I'm lost.
Pause this. 2 speakers in the back are Marine kicker speakers. 2 speakers facing to the side are standard Boss motorcycle speakers. They were in it from shows a while ago, so I just left them. And this is a 4-way amp, 400 watts, 100 watts per channel. All the speakers max out, I believe, at 150. So still have some more to go, but a little bit more. Let's see.
I gotta be strong now. I gotta show you how I love you like I've never loved somebody. I'll give you things you didn't even know you wanted. Don't tell me that it's not enough. My time is up, you're over us. 'Cause I think I'm
Yeah, if I max that out, that's gonna be pretty loud. So the good thing is, ain't none of the speakers facing the kids. Everything's facing out the back, and they can't turn them. So nice little bit of upgrades. Thought y'all like to see it.